For an automatic liquid and lotion filling machine that's both user-friendly and versatile, Packserv's 4-head autofiller fits the bill, or rather, the fill. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Designed to be completely automatic in a full-scale production line, the 4-head autofiller can deliver up to 2 litres per cylinder simultaneously, something other machines just can't do. It can handle all types of free-flowing liquid products, from thin liquids to lotions. It can even package products with suspended solids, something that previously required 2 different types of filling machine or an expensive change of parts. The machine's all-pneumatic design is compact, it's reliable, and it's easy to clean, and features a welded, polished frame with lockable casters, meaning it can be connected to a continuously running slat conveyor. And for peace of mind, the 4-head autofiller comes complete with a no-bottle, no-fill safety device and a container gating system. For more information, go to packserv.com.au. And thank you for watching.